Here I have ALLVIEW X2 Xtreme, and let me show you how to accomplish hard reset operation on that device by using the ALLVIEW settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the following device. Let's use the home screen. Here you have to find and select settings. Let's scroll down and choose advanced settings right here. Here you have to choose backup and reset. Select factory data reset. Let's read about this operation, and as you can see, you can also clear the phone storage data, so you can clear all the data on the phone storage such as music, videos and other user data. Let me also clear this. You can remove the install apps if you would like to, and it will also clear your personal data, including the mobile contacts, SMS, call logs and login accounts. So if you are aware of this, let's choose confirm restore and tap OK to confirm it. Now the device is performing the hard reset operation. Let's wait until the operation will be completed successfully. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you may start simply activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.